What is going on? It is the Life of Poe, Donnie Shoots, and today I have an unboxing video for you guys. So today, or actually yesterday, my package came in and I can't wait to show you guys. Let's open it up. Shout out Tyler from Kentucky. I won this off an auction on eBay. I spent, I'd say $345, yeah, $345, and after taxes and shipping, it's like $20-30 extra dollars. It's nothing crazy. It's only coming from Kentucky, so this is how you can tell it's not a fake unboxing video. I'm literally unboxing it for you guys right now with scissors. What's this? Open it up. And voila, what is this? Fujiflim XT-1. The first Fujifilm, in the X series, XT-1. The first Fujifilm camera. Well, not camera, but first in the X series. Now, before you ask, why did I buy this? Why? I have an X100V, you know, it's selling out everywhere. It's like you can't even find those nowhere. I bought this because I wanted to have like a winter slash not like a throw around camera in a way. I wanted a camera that I didn't have to be like, oh, I don't want it to break, or oh, I don't want it to get stolen. Like I just wanted a camera, whatever. So I spent $350. It's pretty clean actually. Oh, okay, battery's on. All right. The lens on. Oh, came with a charger. Oh, shout out Tyler, man. Tyler gave me a little charger for the battery. I'm gonna charge this up. I might bring this with me. I'm going to New York City today. I'm gonna do a little videos here and there, you know. Talk about my little day trip. I'm meeting my friend John from Michigan. It's my man. I've known him for like almost 2 years now. Such a good guy, man. Such a good guy. He's a big Fujifilm guy too. He shoots film too. And we have a Minolta. Oh, hold on. He might have hooked it up. Yo, he gave me an adapter piece. Oh, he gave me an adapter piece, bro. Oh, I got an adapter. So, this is actually a Minolta Nifty 50. And he gave me the MD to FX adapter piece. So that means, hold on, I actually have a new camera. Hold on. Oh my god. Let's open this up, man. I'm so excited. I want to show you guys something. I have my great grandfather's camera that I just got from Texas. The SRT 202 Minolta, and it comes with the 58 1.2 on it. Oh my god. So it's an adapter piece, bro. Oh, yo. You don't understand how excited I am, because now I can use this piece of glass. I don't have to worry about getting an adapter or I have to wait long for it to come in. I have one right there. But let me talk about the Fujifilm XT-1. I bought this. It's only 16 megapixels. It has the X-Trans 2 sensor, which is, people say it's probably the best one. I haven't shot the X-Trans 2. I only shot the X-Trans 4 because it's on this camera, and it's pretty good. And I'll just see how I like this. Let me see how this comes on. Just adapt it right here. Turn this joint on. Alright, it's really dark. Extremely dark. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's extremely dark. Okay. I might take this out today and play with it. Nice. Let's go. So this is the end of my little unboxing. I can't wait to make a video about this camera. I'm off tomorrow, so I might do some photos of this camera. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. You're the best. I appreciate you. Let me know what you want to see. I try to mix up my content on my channel. A little something for everybody, you know what I'm saying? Thank you. Have a good day. Don't forget something. You're loved.